Today, I'm going to be talking about a very controversial topic. Is water flossing better than string floss? And the answer is, it depends. The water flosser is definitely not a replacement to flossing. However, it is safe to say water flossing is definitely part of the oral hygiene world. Using a dental floss takes a minute. However, it's very technique sensitive and you gotta have the proper technique. Proper technique requires you to firmly grasp onto the floss and able to maneuver it around each tooth in between. Now for a water flosser, it works by releasing a thin pressurized stream of water in between your teeth. Obviously, that is less hands-on, more simple to do. And it really works best with people who have sensitive gum, braces, dexterity issues, and also overall compliance issues. If there's anything that I've learned as a dentist, is that people are different. It's important to know your preferences. But there's one thing we can all agree on, is that oral health and your teeth are important. And if regular flossing isn't getting the results that you need, water flossing might be the option for you. Personally, the most effective way to clean your teeth on a daily basis is the combination of toothbrushing, flossing, and water flossing.